Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's coconut cream pie cooked in the Kmart family pie maker. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. There are only a few of them. I've kept it all very simple. We have 40 grams of brown sugar, 40 grams of desiccated coconut, 40 grams of self-raising flour, 400 grams of coconut cream, and we have 2 eggs. Don't turn your pie maker on yet. Get yourself some baking paper and just scrunch it right up. And that way you will be able to force it into the bottom of your pie maker and it will hold its shape. Now if your pie maker came with one of these little things to press it in, just push that in there and that will make sure it definitely holds its shape just while we mix the remaining ingredients. So see what we've got there? Sit that there for the moment. Okay, I'm going to use brown sugar. It gives it a slightly caramel flavour, a little bit of a more creamier colour, because if you use coconut cream in baking, sometimes it gets a bit of a grey hue about it, which isn't very appetising. It's one of the reasons why they colour margarine actually. But brown sugar, in she goes. Nice flavour, plenty of sweetness. In with our 2 fresh eggs, and we're just going to basically dissolve this sugar, otherwise it will sink to the bottom and sort of cook on the bottom and not flavour right through. Only takes a few minutes. You don't need a mix master for this. Okay, coconut in, self-raising flour in, mix that all around. You can see the colour we're coming with already. It's like a nice biscuit coloured batter. In with our coconut cream and mix that all around. Right, we're done. Take this out now, pour our batter into our little mould that we've made. If you don't scrunch your paper up first, it's not going to hold its shape. It's going to want to sort of pop out and go flat. But if you scrunch it all up, it still won't stick. And you also get this wonderful rustic sort of pattern on your paper when you pull it out. All right, now just pour this all in. Whole thing, in she goes. Okay, and close the lid and turn your pie maker on. Okay, 15 minutes later, this is what you should have. Don't clip it down. I've just learnt that because it will actually expand and blow out a little bit here. But if you stick your knife or something sharp into the center, you can see it's quite set inside. And we're just going to turn off the pie maker now and let that completely cool on a plate. Now, the reason I have actually put it in the pie maker on paper is so that I can physically lift it. The paper is not hot at all, so you can carefully lift it. The pie maker would be perfectly clean except for the little blowout that I had, but be aware that this area here with the lid unclipped, steam will come up here and it can be a little bit warm, so don't burn yourself there if that happens to you. Just use a tea towel or something to lift it. And I think you'll agree 15 minutes to a lovely coconut tart isn't too much time out of your day when it only takes a few minutes to make anyway. So we'll just let that cool completely. We'll decorate it with some cream and whatever else I can find in my cupboard, and I will show you another pie maker recipe. I made a coconut pie in the pie maker. Okay, we're just going to put this onto a serving plate now. Just peel the wrapper off the bottom, put it in the center of the plate, sort of the center of the plate. Okay, I don't have much success with cans of whipped cream, but here we go. And that is something you can carry in a caravan or something. Let's have a little taste, shall we? We'll try and get our strawberry in amongst this lot. And there you have it, beautifully set, very coconutty. Okay, let's have a little taste, shall we? We'll take some from the edge here. Soft and coconutty, not too sweet, beautifully cooked, very moist and tender. Yummo. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's coconut tart cooked in the Kmart family pie maker. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.